On September 10, 1939, the city of Warsaw experienced a day of unprecedented terror as it became the target of multiple bombing raids. Throughout the day, the city faced 12 distinct raids, marking the first time Warsaw was hit in the conflict. This event showcases the grim realities of aerial warfare, a tactic that would become increasingly prevalent as World War II progressed. The raids on Warsaw stand as a somber reminder of the tragic losses endured by civilian populations in urban centers, where the boundaries between combatants and non-combatants were often blurred in the chaos of war. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.